Good morning. My name is Roy Shrout. I'm the EOC commander tonight here at the Fairfax County Emergency Operations Center. I want to give everybody a quick update on what's going on with regards to Hurricane Sandy. Hurricane Sandy, as everyone knows, and when they've waken up this morning, it's already starting to rain. This is still a very significant event. We ask that everybody stay at home. Fairfax County government is closed, as well as Fairfax County courts and the public school system. They're all closed today. Federal government is closed as well. All of your mass transit is not operational today. VRE, MARC trains, Amtrak have all closed. So we ask that everybody stay inside. Right now we're expecting about 2 to 4 inches of rain in the next 4 to 6 hours here in Fairfax County, with the potential of up to 8 inches of rain by the time this thing moves out of here sometime Tuesday morning. We ask that you stay inside. We look out for trees. A lot of the trees still have their leaves on, so there's a significant threat to that as well. We ask too that we are still under a flood watch. We're under a coastal flood warning as well as a high wind warning. So all these are fairly significant, so you need to take heed. The biggest issue right now we're looking at is the wind. Right now we're going to see anywhere from 35 to 45 miles per hour between now and noon. At noon you'll see gusts up to about 55 to 60 miles an hour. From noon until probably midnight tonight into Tuesday, you're going to see steady winds from about 35 up to about 50 miles an hour, with gusts in excess of 70 miles an hour, which is actually what we saw during the derecho. So this is a very serious event. We're going to have a lot of wind, a lot of rain. We're still going to have potential for great flooding. So again, if you don't need to get out, we ask that you stay at home. We'll continue to give you updates as the storm progresses. Thank you.